So hello guys, today I will show you how to make an 2D animation in Unity. So the first thing you need to do is that you go to your package manager and check that did you have the 2D animation and 2D BSD importer. Is yes, so we continue right now. So the first thing that I will do is you see here I will import my uh, Photoshop file to the Unity, and I using the PSB file because it will automatically organize my picture in Photoshop for me to a stickman like this. And now we drag it to here. Let me see. Yeah, we have stickman right now. Move it down a little bit so we can all see that. Yeah. Now in this stickman, you will see. So you see here is our statement, right? And now I will open the sprite editor, and you can see here the part of the statement. Now I move to the skinny editor, and voila! Now if we want to make the stickman move, we have to create a bone. So create bone so that the stickman can move. So here I will click on the create bones, and right here I will start with the body first. Left click and drag one, two. So keep moving. One I think one bone to the head is enough. And if you don't want to create more any more bone, you just need to right click, yeah, and it will disappear. But now you need to gray bone for your arm and leg. So you select the the yellow balls right here, right? And you will see it will connect automatically connect with the bone. And now you just need to create the new bone for your arm. Left click again, drag, and left click. One more, yeah, right click. So it will stop and continue with the other side. Left click and left click and right click. Right click again to deselect the this bone, and also we need the bone for the leg. So choose the red bone and left leg, left leg, right leg, and left. Sorry, left leg, left leg, right, right, right leg again to deselect the bones. And now we can edit bones. So you can see here it's not really real live position right now, so I will move a little bit more like I want. And mm, one is here. Yeah, this look better. Yeah, this one look better now. Now we will move to the geometry. I'm a lazy guy, so right here we have the generate for all visible. So if you click here, it will automatically generate it for you. uh, like the outline detail, the weight, and everything. You can change the performance. You can change the number of what you want in here. But I will just make the basic, so I will not change anything. Make sure click on the weight if you want make it automatically. And now click generation. Now you can see it show on the statement that the here the way on the body like the green like almost on over the head, and yeah, they look really good after all. So if you want to deselect the way from anybody, any part of the part on your body, so you need to go to the this I right yeah, this sprite infusion, and click on the bone infusion, and click on the part of your character. So right here now um, we have the bone number one, now bone one, bone two, and bone six. Is will reflect on the body, and so you can see right here. Yeah, I will show you how it's affect. Now you will when you move the bone number six, it will affect like this, and it looks super weird, right? So we want it not to look so weird about that. So we choose again the body bone number six, and you see this one, this minus. Click on that, and it will not affect to your body anymore. And if you want to choose another bone to affect way into your body, you just click that bone. You see this plus, click it. Yeah, and now it will move to your bone. And but you need to one more thing that you need to you see the weight brush here. You need to basically you need to draw a little bit, so it will know that you need to that the bone will affect to the mesh on your body part. But right here I don't need the this one affect to the body, so I will remove it right now. So we So it's not the basic post right now. I will restore it. Yeah, so we can look right here. Now look everything perfect, right? So if you don't have anything to change, we just need to apply, and boom, this will apply to your character right now. We move it to here to we move the spy editor to there to more easy to look and change anything if I want. So now what you need to do next, you need to do it to a component. You see that IK manager to the click it. We need to add the list. So now we have three options: the CCD, the fabric, and the limbs. So basically, the limb is for the control solver for the two bone part, and that's what we need for the leg and the arm, right? Limit. Now we just need to change the name to whatever you want. With me, I will change it to the right arm solver 2D. Now we choose the right arm to the left, the last bone on this arm. So in my case, it will be the bone number 7. And we click on that, right click, create empty object, move it to the bottom, and change it to the target. Now we click on the drawing arm solver 2D that we have made before, and drag it into the effector. So here's the thing: you need to you notice that some in the manual they will say that you need to drag it in the effector, but the pictures they said that they will show that you need to drag in the target. Just drag in the effector, and it will work. Now click create target, and boom, you will have a little dog here. You can see it's moving to ball already, right? But here's the thing that so so image that your character just want to move to the right and the arm just like this. You don't want this, right? So you can see here is the here a flip. Click on that, and the character will moving like will change the moving to this. It's very easy for you. Now you just need to do the same thing to the other arm and leg, but basically I just too much places to do that, so I will continue to the animation. So here we have the animation. Drag in here, create a new animation. I just got it high. Yeah. Now record. Press here to record the animation you want to do. One, two, three, four. So you have a keyframe right now, and voila! That's how you can make an animation. To the animation. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope you can learn something about this.